Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to get a free camera mode in Roblox. And actually this tutorial is pretty straightforward and easy, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is go on to the Roblox website and then click on the create section on the Roblox website. Now once you have clicked on the create section, you will find yourself on the creator hub. Here you will find all your experiences. So let's choose for example test game 2 to show you how it's done. So hover your mouse over the test game 2 and here you will find the option to view on Roblox. So click on it, it will redirect you to this page, click on the big play button in the right and here it will just open the game. And then you will find yourself on your experience. Now here what you want to do is click on Ctrl Shift and P as you can see on the screen. So Ctrl Shift P simultaneously and then here you will find yourself having the free camera mode so you can move however you want. And that's it. Now if you want to go back to the normal view, you just have to click on Ctrl Shift P again. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.